As customers demand, in this age of digital advancement, a more streamlined, personalized and mobile-enabled service, we must deliver on this expectation if we are to transform the customer experience of taking out motor finance. Evolution Funding has created a digital platform which gives the customer choice, flexibility and convenience, while reducing the regulatory burden on the dealer when delivering a compliant finance journey. Whilst the journey may traditionally begin in the dealership, increasingly the customer expects to conduct part, if not all of the transaction, online. Our platform gives the customer a seamless, omni-channel experience. Our demo starts in the dealership, where the dealer logs onto our point-of-sale platform, Dealer Zone, and selects the Intelligent Quote function, or IQ. IQ allows the dealer to efficiently and accurately determine the likelihood of a customer being accepted, along with an indication of the cost of credit, without impacting on the customer's credit report. Minimal data is needed, just a name, address and date of birth to generate a soft search and provide a unique Evolution credit score. This aligns the customer's credit score to risk-based pricing, allowing the dealer to offer the most suitable product. The customer can either pre-select a car and know straight away whether they will be accepted for finance on it, or they can secure their finance first and then select a car that fits with their budget. For the dealer, IQ reduces wasted time demonstrating unsuitable cars to credit-impaired customers, whilst ensuring that the customer is matched with the right car for their circumstances early in the buying cycle. Upon completion of the customer's information, the dealer can select the required product and submit it as a proposal to Evolution Funding, with over 50% of proposals submitted being auto-decisioned. So how does our one-of-a-kind decisioning engine work? Once the dealer clicks Submit, the customer's data will upload into Evolve, our web-based new business processing platform. This platform combines insights from a range of real-time data and uses big data processing combined with powerful and sophisticated algorithms to generate an accurate score and determine the likelihood of an acceptance, the risk category, and the likely funders. This is achieved via two proprietary pieces of software housed within Evolve: eScore Predict, or ESP, and Navigate. ESP is our in-house scoring software, which combines data insight from CAP, Glasses, and the leading credit reference agencies with demographics from over 450,000 of our past funder transactions. Unique decisioning algorithms aggregate these customer transactions, matching them to the right lenders in our panel for the customer. Navigate is our application routing and auto-decisioning protocol. This takes the decisioning insight generated by ESP and applies funder-level rules to automatically intermediate customer transactions using two-way API routing to the most suitable lender. This can be any time of the day or week without the need for human intervention. The combined function of ESP and Navigate allows Evolution to consistently and accurately deliver the best outcome for the customer. Since our decisioning is steered by objective, data-driven calculations, the influence of commissions or any other remuneration is eliminated, whilst ensuring the customer is only ever proposed where they meet the criteria of that funder. Not only does this make our approach truly TCF, but it allows us to meet both ours and our dealers' compliance obligations. Introduce eSign into the process, and both the customer and dealer experience a speed of service where proposal to paid is possible in just 20 minutes, a benchmark that would have been inconceivable until quite recently. Our demo will now take you through that eSign customer journey. The customer can choose whether to complete the deal in the dealership or at home. Maybe they've visited the dealership in their lunch hour and need to leave, or they don't have the right information on them. They may simply prefer to complete the deal in the comfort of their own home, where they can read through the agreement in their own time. Whatever the reason, the deal no longer depends on the customer coming back into the dealership to complete. The dealer selects Sign Anywhere on the platform and clicks to send the customer their documents, whilst also submitting the customer proofs and dealer's invoice to Evolution Funding. The customer receives an email with login instructions and a text with their unique login PIN. Once logged in, the system will take the customer through the necessary security checks to complete the distance eSign. As the customer interacts with our software, they will experience a highly customized journey based on both the lender's criteria and the customer's risk category. These factors will influence the level of compliance requirements based on the perceived level of risk, driving the number and type of questions asked on behalf of the lender. The customer will also be asked to watch an adequate explanation video and to acknowledge that they have understood and accept the terms of the agreement. They will then be asked to upload their proofs of identity, completing what is a fully auditable trail of what the customer has seen and been told, before finally being seamlessly transferred to the lender's e-sign platform to complete their agreement. The whole journey is relevant both in the customer's home and at the dealership, where the customer might be invited to go through the process online, rather than being taken through the agreement by the dealer. Wherever the journey is delivered, the advantage is the same: a controlled, consistent, accurate, timely and traceable adequate explanation of the financial agreement, ensuring a highly compliant process each and every time.